Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. It is me, Rhonda, saying things to you. It's lovely to see you. I hope you're doing well. I have a chest cold, but I still want to do my unboxing. So enjoy my rough and ready voice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And this is henna, not a tattoo, just some henna. It's very pretty. I am about 5 away from 1,700 subscribers, so that means the giveaway is just days away. Days away, maybe a day away, if you are kind enough to subscribe to my channel. I just have a little bit of lip stain pen on. I tried it. It's pretty good from REM Beauty. And I'm wearing a little mascara. It is the Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. Very cool. This is an Ipsy Glam bag. And let's get in here and get her unboxed. I don't even think I know what to do. But anyway, I figure I can just be pretty natural with you guys. You guys have been around for a minute. You ain't going nowhere, I hope. Hope my natural skin and effervescence doesn't run you off. But anyway, we've got a bunch of stuff here, and it's very exciting. Let's take a look. I did get to choose one thing, and the bag this month is fantastic. It is very fabulous and wonderful, and I love it. I wish there was more of it. And the Glam Bag Plus bag was the same cheetah print. First thing I'm pulling out from Mark Anthony. The Coconut and Shea Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. Split ends, fringe, dryness, breakage. No big deal. This leave-in conditioner can help you deal with it all. It's made with ultra-nourishing coconut oil and shea butter to moisturize strands and boost shine no matter what your hair type. And it is a nice size sample. Coconut and shea. Let me see if I can smell. I probably can't smell. It's sealed, so it's just as well leave it sealed because I probably can't smell it. Very nice. And it says, oh my god, it says stuff that I can't read. Glasses for the win. It's $9 full size for 8.45 ounces. Then we have, ooh, this looks fancy. It's from V Cosmetic, Kosmetik Cosmetic. Velvet, liquid velvet lipstick in bubbly for a rosy pink color that lasts throughout a busy day. Reach for this creamy liquid lipstick. Its highly pigmented formula dries to a matte finish and helps you achieve full coverage with just one swipe. This is $22. Very cool. And it's sealed. How do I break you, seal? I just twisted and it broke the magic seal. All right, let's see what color this is. Oh, it looks like the color goes great with my little sweatshirt. It goes perfect with my sweatshirt. And this is a $22 value. That's a gorgeous color. Oh, it goes on nice. That is smooth. It's very pretty. I'm obviously keeping this because I am sick and I put this on my mouth. But this is $22, so that's, you know, the bag's $13, so very cool. And then we have from Goldfinger, you know, like James Bond, Goldfinger. Except it's Goldfinger Plant Perfusion Supreme Serum. This looks like, it feels pretty full. I can't tell if I'm holding it up to the light. But this seems like a lot of serum. You don't need a whole lot of serum to get a treatment. So this is great. Oh! This hydrocharged serum uses concentrated plant stem cells like antioxidant rich raspberry and inflammation soothing comfrey to help plump, protect, and nourish your skin. Apply 2 drops on the cleansed skin every morning and night. Full size 30 milliliters of this is $235 fucking dollars. So this is probably $30 worth. I'm just gonna call it 30. So it's $52 value right there. Aw, it's the tiniest little bubble. It's a tiny little bubble wrap. It's tiny little. I've had lots of tea, and I had some Dinty Moore beef stew, and I have had some delightful chicken noodle soup recently, and Earl Grey tea with honey. And this is from Ciate, London. It's a metallic eyeshadow. It's so cute. Let's see if I can get it out of the box. It is in there tight. I'm not breaking a nail. I broke a nail last time I was unboxing something. I'm not breaking nails today. I'm just gonna rip the box because it's silly to have this box so tight. So tight. I'm just ripping it apart. I love this color. This color is fire. This cosmetic, it's drying down pretty nice too. Had a little bit of transfer on my finger, but not much. Look at this. Look how precious this is. It's precious. It's from Ciate. We get a lot of stuff from Ciate in boxes. They're like the new Wonder Beauty. Oh, and it's monochromatic. That is really pretty. It's the same color as the packaging, and it's a shimmer. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to use it. But this plum colored eyeshadow brings on chrome-like multi-dimensional shine with its full coverage pigments that are blended with shimmery pearlescent particles to create depth in a metallic finish that catches everyone's eye. $20. This is full size. So that's really good. I still have one thing left in here, and this is what I chose for my bag. And I'm really excited because I love candles. And it is from Juicy Couture, the Honey Bee Candle. Wild Honey Creamy Vanilla Orange Blossom. And it's just a really cute little, I'm probably going to burn it in another room. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my God. Even though I'm sick, I can smell it. It smells really sweet and citrusy. Oh, that smells good, girl. Girl, that smells good. And take your relaxation to the next level with this stylish, divinely scented candle. It is divine. It smells awesome. The moment you light it, the delightful aroma of wild honey, cream of vanilla, and orange blossom will fill the room and your senses to a warm and unforgettable scent. Full size of this is 15 ounces, which is $35. And this is, doesn't tell me how many ounces, but let's call this $5. So let's call this, I didn't make up a price for this one. I'm going to call this $2. So this is, I'm calling this $2. This is $22. This is a lot of serum, and it's normally $235. And I called it like $30. And then I called this like $5. But anyway, with my estimations and guesstimations and the full prices for some of this stuff, I'm calling this a $79 value for the $13 bag. So this is great. Hair conditioner, serum, a very nice liquid lipstick, a nice little sample candle, and a little full-size eyeshadow. Very cool with an awesome bag. I love it. So I'm very happy to unbox this today. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.